Virtually all modern vehicles are equipped with power steering systems, but technically, what are we talking about? We're talking about a paramultiplication system. In other words, a set of actuators that drastically reduce the torque or effort you must apply to the steering wheel to move the wheels. And it's not just a matter of comfort, it's pure active safety. Less physical effort translates, for example, into a greater ability to react to emergency evasive maneuvers. The goal of the engineering behind this system is progressive variable assistance. The aim is for the ECU, the car's computer, to stiffen the steering at high speeds, to avoid overcorrection and provide a better feel for the road, and, conversely, to maximize assistance at low speeds. So you can, for example, perform parking maneuvers with just one finger. When power steering systems first appeared, they were hydraulic mechanisms operated by fluids, and the fluid, it is circulated by a pump that is permanently coupled to the engine and creates a constant parasitic load. It steals power and burns fuel, even when you're driving straight and don't need any steering assistance. The evolution of this system was to replace it with electric power steering, which assists movement, relying on readings from a torque sensor and a steering angle sensor. It's a more efficient on-demand system. It only uses electrical energy when it detects the driver's turning the wheel, and when driving straight, consumption's practically zero. Today, there are different types of electrified power steering depending on the vehicle's architecture and the load supported by the front axle. Some act directly on the rack, which is actually responsible for turning the wheels, mostly used in heavy vehicles and also in sports cars that require maximum precision. There are others that are attached to the steering column, more common in compact cars. They're different systems, but they all have something in common: electric assistance with electronic intelligence. Not only is it safer, but it also improves the vehicle's fuel consumption. And beyond fuel economy, the big advantage is its electronic integration, because the steering becomes a key actuator for ADAS systems, which are driver assistance systems. It enables, for example, the operation of the lane keeping system, the driver fatigue detector, or the autonomous parking system. All steering components are vital for the proper functioning of driver assistance systems, and of course are essential for safety. And as we always recommend at Autotechnica, if you need to replace any component, you must use spare parts that meet the quality of the original part to maintain the system's efficiency and safety while driving.